Okay, so two mushrooms were sitting next to each other on the subway, and one mushroom turned to the other one and said, "Hey, fun guy, can you move over? I don't have mushroom." Thank you. All right, welcome back to TWN Academy. I'm your registered dietitian, Lisa Hayim, and as you can see, I'm very excited to be talking about mushrooms today. Mushrooms are super trendy right now, but they are also research back in time tested, which is why I'm talking about them. I'll be sharing my top 4 types and breaking down why I love them, how to use them, plus the brand that has changed the game. These are not the type of mushrooms that you trip on, so these mushrooms have tremendous health and healing benefits. If you're a mushroom hater, hang on, because in this video, I'm going to show you some super surprising way to get in all the benefits without eating them, including drinking them in your hot cocoa, which will taste like hot cocoa and not mushrooms. My top 4 types are Cordyceps, Rishi, Chaga, and lion's mane. By the end of this video, you're going to know what each one does and when to use them. Let's start with Cordyceps. This is the one you're going to want to use when you need physical energy, like before a workout. It helps to bring more oxygen into our lungs and also helps to make ATP. That's the energy we use inside our muscles. So think of Cordyceps as body energy mushroom. This is also a great option for people that are suffering from adrenal fatigue that are looking to take a break from caffeine but still need a little bit of energy. This is one you're going to take earlier in the day and can be used in smoothies, coffee, or tea. Next up, we have Rishi. I like to think of Rishi as body calming. It helps to support the body's sleep cycle, so take this one right before bed or in the evening. Rishi is considered to be an adaptogenic herb. An adaptogen is something that works to adapt or balance your body out. So if your body's in this really stressful state and running really high on the hormone cortisol, Rishi can actually work to calm stress and lower the cortisol. It works as an immunomodulator and helps to balance hormone and bring the body back to baseline. So this right here is my favorite product from Four Sigmatic. It's a hot cocoa mix made with Rishi. It's not too sweet and made with just 2 grams of sugar. It's super soothing and a great option for something sweet after dinner with a functional twist. I'll link it below with a discount code, but otherwise, Rishi can be taken as a tincture, pure powder, or pill. Next up, we've got Chaga. Chaga is like the king of all the mushrooms. It's one of the highest scoring foods on the ORAC scale in the entire world. That stands for oxygen radical absorbent capacity, and the higher you are on this list, the higher an antioxidant the food is. Like most mushrooms, Chaga contains little food energy or calories, yet still contains fiber and minerals. They also contain something called betulinic acid, which is responsible for making it antiviral, making it really, really good for the immune system. I recommend taking Chaga when you feel a cold coming on or during the colder months. This one goes really nice in a tea or as a tea on its own if you can get the actual mushroom. I like to bring this one with me when I'm traveling because it contains coffee and Chaga for immunity and lion's mane, which I'm about to get into. Lastly, we've got lion's mane, which I like to think of being the brain booster, best known for enhancing brain function and helping the mind to really focus, whether we are meditating or even just working on a project. It actually helps to regenerate nerve growth factors. These are proteins that rejuvenate the brain. It's naturally caffeine-free, so unlike coffee, you won't get the jitters. I personally like to use this one from Four Sigmatic that combines lion's mane with actual coffee for the perfect ability to focus, yet stay chill throughout the morning. I just put it in the French press as I would normal coffee and add in some almond milk at the end. I'll link this one below as well. Okay, let's recap. We use Cordyceps for physical performance. We use Rishi to chill and combat stress. We use Chaga for its antioxidant capacity and ability to support the immune system. Lastly, lion's mane for brain power. If you like this video, please subscribe by hitting the red button below, and I'll see you in another episode of TWN TV.